It's 5:25, which is first light. We're at Waratah Bay. This morning I want to do a walk from here to Bell Point, so that's here. So I reckon it'll take about I don't know, at least 3 or 4 hours to complete this walk, but hopefully after this we should have some good video footage for you guys to enjoy. But this is the current view. Well, this is the view for Smoko. Looking out at the prom, the Cape and the beach. Happy morning, Smoko. Sunrise is in about 10 minutes. But yeah, how's the serenity here? Check out this rock pool. Looks quite clear. But how's the formation of the rocks, huh? Hopefully there's some sea snails here. How beautiful is this? From a distance, this rock looked like a big kangaroo, but obviously it's not. It's just jutting out of the sand here. But have a look at that. That's a $1 million view. Wouldn't you have it? I forgot the sunscreen. Why sunscreen, you ask? That's why. So now it's drizzling, but I guess that's good because you get to see the rainbow. Pot of gold, pot of gold. Let's go. Pot of gold chasing time. So yeah, it looks like we can probably climb that and walk around the corner, check out the kiln, and then head to that point to do the drone quadcopter flying. But how beautiful is this, hey? Oh, let's see if we can do it without falling over. Bit of water. Gotta wait for it to recede. All right, this way. Over here. The highlight of my trip is to do this. So that this one saves us, or saves me, the walk up around the top there. You can see Bird Rock from here. Wait for this to recede a bit and jump over. I reckon we're nearly there. Can you see the kiln? We'll obviously get closer to it, but that's it there. Check out this creek first. Tell you what, we might go back that way. It's a nice walk. Okay, so this is the money shot right here. I think I've just walked 4 Ks to get to where I want to be, which is here. Let's see. So that's taken an hour and 40 minutes, but it's well worth it because I get to show you guys all of this, some of that, and yeah, what a great country we live in. This is actually called Walkerville South. So yeah, we just came from obviously Walkerville North. This is the famous historic lime kiln. So I would imagine the ships would come in with raw lime and they would burn it. Now, I don't know what they make out of it, but yeah, this is it. Wow. See if we can climb up there somehow. But how beautiful. Bit of rock climbing. I reckon getting up's okay, but getting down's going to be a bit of a pain. No pain, no gain. Here we are. I don't know how I'm going to get back down. What a view. Okay, operation how to get the fuck back down. I'm gonna relieve some weight. We'll lower this down first and then climb down, I guess. That's down. Now, the hard part. What goes up must come down. Still got it, Scotty. Done. Whew. A view to die for. Check out this little bay. Walkerville South. how tranquil is this. So we're going to head over there for a bit more tranquility. Walkerville South. First set of stairs for today. Certain that they won't be the last. But beggars can't be choosers, hey? They call this walk the Lime Burners Walk. See, some structure here. But yeah, Lime Burners Walk, Walkerville. This is the part that my end game. So I started off planning this, and now I've sewn it all together. Walked in from Walkerville, walked in from Waratah Bay, and yeah, this is it. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Walkerville South. That rock over there is called Bird Rock, and looks like there should be some abalone in them rocks. We'll have to have a look. But here she is, the final destination. No footprints. First one on the beach. So yeah, we came from there, where the green fields are, all along that coastal scrub along the beach there, and this is the other point that you can see. Very nice, hey? Now to get some food, some water, let's fire up the drone. You should see footage of the quadcopter in about 3, 2, 1. Setting up the drone. That's it there. So heading back. But how beautiful is this bay? Might take the kids back, go for a swim. Fern forest. Always forget how beautiful it is here. Look at that. The flowers. Goat track. Hairpins. Saw calves. But worth it. Gorgeous. So that's Chris. I was lucky enough to be able to walk with him for the last 4Ks. That guy's been walking from Inverloch, which is probably 40Ks. So that's how he's travelling. He's heading to Shallow Inlet. Yeah, very good company on the back end of the walk. And there he goes.